In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a channel back to Classic PPM. Before we demonstrate how to create a channel back to Classic PPM, there are a couple of things that we must be aware of. One is you can construct dynamic content in your channel by using the following parameters as listed on the slide here: the project ID, the project code, project name, project manager, and the logged in user. Second, when adding a channel back to Classic PPM, you'll need to replace the server URL with the HTML .. syntax for relative rather than a fixed absolute path reference. If the data is restored to another server, your channel will continue to function. And finally, if you're using the Phoenix theme, users will see two menus on the left edge of the page. You can add the following URL as shown on the slide to remove it. Also, to hide project-specific menu items, there's another URL shown on the slide here that can be used to remove it. Now, to create our channel. First, navigate to Administration, then select Blueprints, and the blueprint we're going to change. Go over to click on the Edit button and select Modules and New Channel. Seeing as this is going to be our dashboard channel, let's give the name Dashboard. Once the name has been entered in, now we want to add our channel URL. Navigate to Classic PPM, select our URL. In this case, I'm already at the dashboard. I'm going to copy it, come back to my channel configuration, and I'm going to enter it in the channel URL. Once it's been entered in, we need to create the relative path. So we remove our first part of our URL and add our relative path. Next, we want to add our parameter for the dynamic content. And seeing as we're using the Phoenix theme, we want to add our parameters to remove the extra menu and hide any project-specific menu items that may exist. So we'll enter them next. And now we've entered our channel URL in, we can now publish. Now that we've published successfully, we can now go check our dashboard out from our project. So go to one of your projects that's using that blueprint, select your project, and we can see we have our channel built. Now click on it, and we can see our dashboard. Thank you, and be sure to check out our other videos as they become available.